And just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. It is an absolutely gorgeous day here in the beautiful state of Utah. We have huge house updates today. Now, when I say house updates, like probably more has been done in the last week than has been done in the last like 3 months. I cannot wait for you guys to see it, and we're back. Now, before we head off to the house, we got to race off to Lamborghini of Salt Lake because another car needs an annual service this time of the year. Last week, the Aventador Roadster broke. The week before that, it was the Aventador Coupe. The week before that, it was the Murcielago. The Countach is going to be done in Miami. It's going to be back here soon as well. And the funny thing about that car is that car's going to break more than any of the cars combined. So we're going to be at Lambo Salt Lake quite a bit. But the nice thing, it's free parking. The 458 just looks so good. Now that it's a sunny day too, like that purple is just glistening. Luke, you know what to do. You know the drill. Just do it. Just do it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This guy Luke thinks he's so fancy. His pride from the front. No, no, no. That thing is so loud. How did he beat me? How did he beat me? Dude, the state penitentiary is just down the road. This 458 has so much presence on the road. It looks so good. Bro, you're looking thick. I do. With 2 C's. Yeah, man. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Dude, the viola looks so sick. I'm like losing my voice. I'm freaking out. Okay, okay, wow, this is Honda. No, this Honda's not gonna ruin the video. What? How did he beat me? I got 100 more horsepower than him. I got 2 turbos. Dude, I'm telling you, like Luke, he maximizes the potential of everything in his life. It's unbelievable, it's uncanny. I also don't actually know the definition of uncanny, so I might have used that improperly, but don't worry about it, we're good. And just like that, welcome back to Lamborghini of Salt Lake City. I don't even know what's going on right now. Like, are you kidding me? This is Porsche heaven. They even have a 911R right now. I feel like Lamborghini Salt Lake is trying to send us a message right now. That is so sick. What? All right, Luke, what's going on? What are you having a one-on-one with like the purchasing manager? Every time we come here, there's like a new Porsche. Absolutely. You're thinking like, oh, maybe he'll buy me this one. Maybe he'll buy me that one. It's not maybe it has to be a manual 911R.
I like. It's the one that you like enough to buy it. That's what we're looking for.
All right, which one do you want?
That one.
That, okay. Why would you indulge in a 991.1 GT3 when you could indulge in a 991.2 GT3 RS?
Just numbers, dude.
It's just no big deal. It's just money. It's just a number. It's crazy. Like, you just never know what you're gonna see here at Lamborghini of Salt Lake City. We of course have the P1 HDK, and then quite possibly, without hesitation, without doubt, this is the sickest Lamborghini Aventador SV in the entire world. Not only like the SV logo there in the carbon fiber, you got the carbon fiber roof, and it's like a one-off paint code called Verde Shock. Of course, Rev9 Group owns this thing. It is so sick. I think maybe someday, like maybe 3 Aventadors is necessary. Maybe we need an SV, or maybe we need to sell the Veyron and properly buy a P1. You know, it's funny because Luke has been avoiding riding with me for a while, and I wonder why. Let's go! This car is so good. Oh wow, we almost hit a camper. Now, some of you guys may or may not know, but almost every single week, like clockwork, I forget to put my trash can out. Not this week, trash day's tomorrow, and we're 24 hours early. That's right, baby. The older and older I get, the harder it is to get in and out of the Ferrari. So the Urus is off at Lamborghini of Salt Lake. On the drive home, I noticed gas is $5 a gallon in the state of Utah. In 2022, inflation is rampant. The cost of everything is through the roof, including insurance, which is why I'm so excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by Policy Genius. Now, just like you guys, I understand the frustration of trying to find the right home and auto insurance policy. When I first started my YouTube channel, I had 1 car, but fast forward to today, I have a whole collection. I'm building a house, and insurance can be so confusing trying to find the right coverage, the right policy, the right company, and I needed help, and I found the perfect solution. Policy Genius is a one-stop shop for all your insurance needs. And guys, getting started is so easy. First, head off to policygenius.com/Stradman, where you're gonna answer a few quick questions about yourself and your property. After that, Policy Genius is gonna show you price estimates for policies that fit your needs and help you find the best option. Their team of experts will look for ways to save you more money, especially when you bundle home and auto policies. And remember, guys, the Policy Genius team works for you, not the insurance companies. So if they find you a better rate than what you're paying now, they'll switch you over for free. Policy Genius has saved customers an average of $1,250 per year over what they were paying for home and auto insurance. Guys, check out the link in the description below, or simply go to policygenius.com/Stradman to get a free quote on home and auto insurance and see how much money you guys can save. Guys, check out that link below and start saving money today. Now, I've said it before, and I'll probably say it again. These two cars together look absolutely phenomenal on this perfect sunny day. All the glass in the Parsifal, all the glass in the Acanthus. So we're finally headed off to the house. Luca? Ferrari? Oh, wow. Wow. He once told me he was the best baseball player this side of the Mississippi. Can't even catch a key.
I've never played baseball my entire life.
Oh, must not have been you. Really, dude? After getting sunburned in Africa and whining, complaining for weeks on end. Sun's out, buns out, baby.
Ferrari.
Oh, okay, is that what it is? Wow. It's so wild. Growing up, two of my favorite cars, Liberty Walk Aventador and the Liberty Walk 458. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, yes. I mean, it's an obligation, right? An obligation. Let's go. Now, I know I say this ad nauseum every single video, blah, 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 how my neighbors find me so annoying, but think about it. This brand new neighborhood is like a quiet neighborhood, white picket fences, and then there's Dumb and Dumber driving around in a bright pink and a bright purple straight pipe Lamborghini and a Ferrari. I do apologize. If you're one of my future neighbors, I'm sorry. I promise. Once I move in, I'm not going to be this annoying. And Oscar's adorable.
That's a complete lie. Oscar is adorable. Oscar's adorable.
Okay, yes, good save. That was a good save. Honestly, I might have fired him. Now I know you guys are excited. Luke's excited. Check this place out. It's quiet in here. Yada yada la you. You can't even hear an echo because check it out. The insulation is installed everywhere. Like the next step is drywall. It's so crazy. Like whoever did the insulation, if I knew the company, I'd shout you guys out because you did a phenomenal job. It is incredible. Like they came in here and they got work done. That is the type of tenacity, the work ethic that we expect each and every single day. Well, most days. Before today, I was never like a big insulation guy, but now that I'm here and I smell it and I taste it and I feel the shards of glass, obviously we do not condone tasting insulation, but it is so nice. Check out the shower too. Like it all of a sudden gives perspective on the size of everything. This shower is enormous. It's got the drain right there. There's gonna be a shower head here and another shower head here. We're gonna have two shower heads. That is gonna be way sick. We got the walk-in closet as well. This insulation, it's a game changer. You see, guys, I told you when we had a big house update, I know you guys probably aren't super excited about insulation, but I'm pretty excited as well. We also have a bunch of cords and stuff. Look at all this. Obviously, I can't really explain entirely what this is. It's very, very confidential. I said too much without quite saying enough, but that's nice. That's nice. I think the coolest thing about the insulation, it finally closes off so many rooms. So we have the living room. We're walking out to the garage. We can see the laundry room, the pantry right there are now completely closed off. But here in the garage, very exciting news because check it out. We have a garage heater. Now, I would anticipate that the expectation as far as education level for my videos is very, very, very low. And we're going to ensure that right now because we have all these cool cords and stuff. I think that's for the AC unit maybe. We also have this massive wall heater as well. It's gonna be so nice in the future because in my current house, the garage is so cold. Whereas this heater right here is gonna keep this garage and that garage nice and toasty. Now, just like I said earlier, there is absolutely no educational value in my videos whatsoever. So if you're looking at building your own house and you're watching my videos to try to get tips and tricks, don't do that because I know nothing about what's happening. That being said, after installation or now that insulation is installed, drywall should be starting like momentarily. I turn around for 3 seconds and Luke is just testing out the structural integrity. Can it hold a Ferrari?
That's what I'm wondering.
Probably not.
I don't know.
Probably not. Don't worry, if you're a structural engineer watching today's video, we're going to be providing reinforcements, installing reinforcements. There's going to be a lot of reinforcements, okay? I'm not an engineer, but trust me, it's going to hold the Ferrari. And if it doesn't, it'll make for a fantastic video in the future, right?
Absolutely.
My Ferrari fell off the wall. That would do pretty well. Now, if you guys are sick of insulation, too bad, because we've come to a room with the most insulation. Check this out. The ceiling has insulation, all the walls, and what's so cool is now the focal point is on the glass doors looking down to the main garage. It really gives a perspective of how cool this room is going to be. We have the vaulted ceilings right there, the massive glass windows, and of course these doors. Now, unfortunately, these doors are locked, obviously probably for my safety, because I would walk out and that would be the end of the house build, because I wouldn't exist. I love how sometimes when I'm describing something like a window, I call it a glass window. So, you know, that's just sort of who I am. But this view in the garage is so cool because with all that new insulation, the focal point, just like upstairs, is the doors. It looks so cool. Like in the future, it's gonna be so sick. I mean, I guess kind of sort of this is in the job description, so please don't fall, because I am liable. This is not safe. That guy on a ladder is not safe, especially me on a ladder holding a camera, but trust me, I'm a professional. This probably won't come as like a huge surprise. I don't know anything about roofs, but we just got to enjoy this view because this is one of the last times we'll ever be up here. It looks so good. It looks so sick. We're just out here chasing those Utah views of views. The view on this property of the snow-capped peaks, like, that'll never get old. Now, some of you guys may or may not remember, about 6 months ago, we were in a very similar situation where I had the camera and I had to drop it down to Luke and he dropped it. But today's gonna be different because you're gonna cradle. Hey, get back here. How am I supposed to get, wow. All right, well, he's just gonna leave us up here. Dude, forget Usain Bolt. What was that? You left me hanging right there. And now you're gonna electrocute yourself as well. Dude, if my insurance agent sees my workers' comp policy, they're gonna have to up the rate because of you.
You don't have workers' comp policy.
I mean, I keep joking about that, but it's not wrong. It's so exciting to see the house finally being built at world record pace. Like, we're getting so close to the finish line. Exterior finish soon, and when I say soon, I have no idea. The drywall should also be soon, and when I say soon, I have no idea. The front door should be here next week. The roof should be done this week as well. Like, we are working around the clock. I know I keep saying this ad nauseum. I think by summer, we should be done. Today was just like a good day. It was just like one of those really good days. We drove so many fun cars. The house is coming together so well. I have a brand new table, and yet this couch just continues and continues to be the greatest purchase I've ever made in my entire life. As far as updates in the future, the Supra, the manual swap Supra should be done very, very soon, but you guys know the drill. Today's video is over. I've never been like a big insulation guy, but the more I look at this insulation, the more I smell it, the more I there's a weird take. Can we cut this out, Luke? Can that be cut out? Yeah, can we do a take 2?